Hello guys, how y'all doing? In today's video we're gonna see what happens if you put super strong neodymium magnet close to the working TV. And it has to be the old style TV, by the way. Now watch this. Look at this. As I move the magnet, the electro waves follow. Check this out. That's pretty cool. Check what happens if I actually touch the glass with the magnet. Look at this. It makes this like a hole looking thing. I'm holding the magnet in my hand and the waves can still move. Crazy, huh? Let's see how far the magnet should be for the TV to react to it. So about 30 centimeters. Well, that's what happens when you put the strong magnet close to the TV. Don't try this at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.